traffic, loads of traffic. Okay, good morning on this chilly but pleasant February morning. I thought you might like to join me on my commute. You know, why not? Why not? So today I've got my phone connected with my quad lock. Nice and solid there. Saw a video on that getting mounted previously. And if this is the first time you're watching the channel, I'd appreciate a little subscribe and a like. Wouldn't we all? So yeah, this is my commute. Now, I'm a lazy bugger. I should really cycle because my commute is not very far. Probably doesn't do the bike any good either. Barely even get into third gear, never mind. Just the joys of riding. I'm trying to remember what I last did, when I last did my last riding vloggy thingy. I think it was back in the summer. So yeah, what have we done since? Well, channel's reached 1,000 subscribers and amazing. It took a long slog, but the channel's a bit weird with the RC cars and motorbike stream. But now we're at 1,000, things seem to be going even better. I try and keep it as varied, well, I try and keep it not all on one thing, but I do tend to get carried away sometimes. Lovely. Normally I leave a bit earlier, but because I was faffing around, changed my mind this morning. I wasn't going to do a vlog on the bike, and then I was, and I wasn't, and I thought, oh, you know what, just do it. So I was faffing around in the garage this morning for 10 minutes, a little bit later than usual, and it's amazing the difference in traffic just 10 minutes makes. Greasy roundabout. This roundabout is always so greasy, even in the summertime, so always take it easy. What I try is 4K. So I am recording in 4K. Now the thing is, with the super wide view, so you can see everything, you only get 25 frames per second. I'm not sure that matters on a vlog. We'll see. We'll see how this one comes out. Thank you, sir. It's nice when people actually move out your way. I don't think that they need to move out of your way. I think people should just hold their ground, really. Because the problem is, if someone moves out of the way, and you're like, oh great, thank you very much, you're not necessarily concentrating on the road in front of you, you're concentrating on that car that's moved out of the way. So, yeah, I'm not sure it's a good thing. It's nice, don't get me wrong, so if you're a car driver watching this, it is nice. But in my own personal opinion, I don't think it's necessary. If you're going to go around someone, you're going to go around them. So we are just coming up to the roundabout, which takes us down past the big posh Taunton school, which is I think a reasonably famous school. I do like cricket and rugby and stuff like that. They're like a private school where you can get a grant if you're good at your sport. It's a nice looking school. Kids used to call it the Hogwarts when they were younger, because it does remind them of Harry Potter. Although now they're older, they tell me it doesn't. So it's just up on the left there. I wonder if we get a good view as we go past. No, there you go. Very brief view there. Trying to concentrate on riding a motorbike as well. So we're going to go down what's classed as a new road. It's not really a new road anymore, it's been here quite a long time, but this cuts out the middle of town, Taunton. Bit of a fart from the right there. It's only a 30-mile-an-hour road. Oh, my visor is filthy. As you can see over there, you've got the I think I've mentioned it before in other videos, but the cricket ground, you can see the lights. I know nothing about cricket. Sorry, if you're a cricket fan. And then we've got Taunton Station on the left there. They're doing loads of work. You've got like the multi-storey car park, they're building a hotel over there. Go again. Massive refurb. And then if you do happen to like my Facebook page and Instagram, I put some pictures up the other day of the bike in front of this water tower. A water tower here. It looked like the apocalypse. Thought it was a good, cool picture. Man, the roads are so horrible this time of year. I commute in the winter, but I don't really tend to go out on leisure rides. Just don't enjoy it. Going over town here. So yeah, they're pretty much at the end of my commuting to work now. So if you're not already a subscriber, check out my other videos. This isn't going to be the best video in the world, but you know, it's there. Check out my other videos, see what's going on. I started work on my Clodbuster, getting that all refurbished and back up to scratch, so check that out if that's what you might be interested in. Otherwise, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!